In this problem, we need to determine the length of the tangent drawn from the point having the coordinates -2, -3 to the given circle. Let us begin. So here, in order to find out the length of the tangent, let's go to the formula that we will be using. So here we have a circle which is centered at C having the coordinates -g, -f. We have a point P with the coordinates x1, y1 which is external to the circle. If we join point P and point A, then PA is going to be tangent to the circle at A, and the length of this tangent will be given by the square root of x1 squared plus y1 squared plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So here, this is the formula that we will be using. So let's start with the given equation of the circle. We have x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 10y plus 1 equals to 0. So what we'll do, we'll compare this equation with the general equation of a circle. The general equation is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. Now on comparison, we get the value of 2g will be equals to -2, which means that g comes out as -1. Then we have 2f equals to -10, which means f value will be equals to -5, and the value of c will be equals to +1. Now, let's find out the length of the tangent. So here, point P corresponds to point P having the coordinates x1, y1. This is going to correspond to the coordinates -2, -3, which means that our x1 value will be -2 and the y1 value will be -3. So, PA, now the value of PA, which is the length of the tangent, will be the square root. We'll take x1 squared, so that's -2 whole square, added to -3 square plus 2g value, that's -1, multiplied to x1, so that's -2, added to 2 times f is -5, multiplied to y1, so that's -3, plus the constant value c, that's 1. So this will be equals to the square root of -2 squared, that's 4, -3 squared, that's 9. Then 2 times -1, that's -2. -2 times -2 will be +4. So here 2 times -5, that's -10. -10 multiplied to -3 will be +30, added to 1. So this is going to give us a value square root of 48. So if we simplify the square root, then we have 4 times square root of 3. So this is going to be the length of the tangent drawn from the point -2, -3 to the circle.